So this is basically the tree of me preparing to pack out of my family's house. So today I am speaking about the color I actually picked for my room, because my room already has a black bed frame. So last time I spoke about the things I need to buy, and I wrote down the list of what I have to buy for my room. But today I am speaking about the color I am mixing for my room. So I literally had to scroll through Pinterest yesterday. Like, I was busy yesterday scrolling through Pinterest to understand the kind of color I want for my room and how I want my room designed. I found so many colors. I found how I can mix pink, black and white all together, or black and white with other aesthetics to it. But I found black and pink. I'm telling you, it was so beautiful. I was so excited because I don't want my room to be so loud. I don't want my room to have too much aesthetic. I don't want too much things in my room. I want it to be calm and give that calm aesthetic vibes. And we're using a black curtain and a pink lining for my window. So close to the window, I would be fixing a movable mirror very close to the window. So for my bed frame, I have a black bed frame. I would be buying pink 3-in-1 set with the pillowcase and everything. And I'm also going to buy 2 throw pillow. I'm going to buy pink and black pillowcase. So I'm going to buy pillowcases that is pink and also black, and also pink teddy. Yes, because I like pink teddy. Maybe a unicorn or a cat or a duckling. Yes. So very close to my bed, I would going to buy an aesthetic, like getting a black center rug. That is just everything I am buying for my room. So that's how I'm going to design my bed for you. I'm not doing too much in my room. I'm not doing too much on my bed. I'm not doing too much in my room, but I'm going to make it calm aesthetic and you're going to love it. I cannot wait to show everyone here my room and how it's going to turn out. So watch out for the next episode. Bye.